Come with me here at the One World Deli in Mall of Asia as I tried their unlimited steak for 1,350 pesos. Actually, we came here just for snack. Kaya nag-order lang kami ng burger and barramundi. Then sinabi ni ate na meron daw silang unlimited steak at 5 p.m. Kaya by 4:30 p.m, naka-ready na rin yung mga food nila sa stations. Meron silang salad, pasta, baked mac, mashed potato, grilled pork chop, and yung chicken a la king. And meron din silang steak rice. So here's the steak. Okay naman ang color niya. Requested for medium well. Okay naman yung seasoning niya. Hindi siya maalat. And tender naman siya. Okay din naman ang gravy niya. Pero tingin ko average lang siya. Medyo hindi babalik. Well, hindi babalik kasi tingin ko makukuha mo yun at a lower price sa ibang restaurant. At least for me,